how many catalogs do you need for your workflow? Catalog is a separate file, and as you see, I have number of catalogs in my workflow. Yes, I'm using more than one catalog. Do you need more than one catalog? Let's talk about it. So there's no restriction in terms of the number of files you store in the database. The database can be huge, like 1,000,000 photos. And if you do not produce more than, let's say, 200,000 images per year, I would suggest you to stay with one single catalog. Why? Because it's the most fluent workflow, and you can search through the entire database. You cannot search through multiple catalogs at once. To do that, you will have to go to a different catalog, open the catalog, and then make search in a different catalog. When do you need more than one catalog? Well, if you produce a large amount of work specifically for clients, and you want to separate work for clients, it would be a good idea to have separate databases, separate catalogs. And you can easily use exporting and importing from and to catalog. So you can, for example, working with with the client on a large project, you can dedicate a separate catalog, import all the images into a separate catalog, work on them, produce images for your client, delete unnecessary images, and then tag and export only the best photos which you would like to have them for your portfolio as a separate catalog, and import that catalog to your main database. That would keep your main database less cluttered, but still you will have all the best images from all your working experiences and clients in one single database. The only one disadvantage of having one single database is you will have to organize better your collections so they do not interfere with each other. Then in a large catalog, probably search will be slightly slower. But the main slowing down element is optimization of the database and backing up the database, because the larger database has a folder with more images basically inside, so the backing up is slower. If that's the case for you, well, think about the second catalog. But definitely, if there is no other restriction, I would suggest you to stay with one single catalog, and it will make your workflow much easier in general.